How to enable biometric authentication or the biometric login in the IRCTC Rail Connect application for Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps of how you can easily enable the biometric authentication such that you can bypass the requirement of having to type your username and password again and again for logging in. So if you have enabled the biometric authentication, you also don't need to type in your PIN in order to access the IRCTC Rail Connect application. Just simply put your finger or your face against the fingerprint or image sensor and it will automatically grant you the access. So let me show you how to do this. So first open your IRCTC Rail Connect application, and in my case I have already enabled the biometric authentication. So I will click onto this OK button, and then I will click onto this login button at the top right. And once I'll click onto this login button, you can see it asks for my PIN as well, but also it might not be visible to you, but I am also getting the prompt to log in using my fingerprint. So if I will touch the sensor with my fingerprint, you can see that it says validating PIN and verifying user. So once the verification is done, you can see that I have successfully logged in into my IRCTC Rail Connect. Now let me show you how you can do the same for your account and device as well. So once you have logged in into your IRCTC Rail Connect application, simply click onto this more button at the bottom right corner and it will open the more option. Now from here you have this option of biometric authentication right here. Make sure that this is enabled. If it is disabled, simply enable it. And once you have enabled it, your biometric authentication will work from the next time you enter the application. So that's how easily you can enable biometric authentication for your IRCTC Rail Connect application. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.